Okay, welcome back. This video we're gonna look at another function of the mix editor. I'm just gonna continue it exactly from the spot we left, so we can learn a few more tricks on the way. So we dealt with the loops, and I just wanted to mention that as well as using the loop packs, we can also just click on all loops, which will um, give you the possibility of using either the genres or the instruments. So you can work according to instrument or according to musical genre, as well as using the loop packs. So that's enough of the loops. Let's click them off. Now we're going to deal with another type of way that you can import sound. But in order to do that, we're going to clear all this. So the way you do it, you click the three dots here and you delete the track and delete the track. And now you'll see when I delete the last track, it will bring me back to the original window. Here we go, and we've got all the choice again. So this time we're gonna start with the drum machine. Here we're gonna create our own pattern. So when I click the drum machine, a new track which is called drum machine starts, and BandLab actually gives me two patterns, A and B. If we listen to it, okay? So two patterns, one might be for the verse, one might be for the chorus. We will look at that in a minute. For now, we're gonna use just one, just the A. So when we go down here to the bottom, we see the actual drum machine. So as you can see here, it tells you which pattern we can see. So we're gonna click on A, and it tells us what the pattern is. This is the pattern that BandLab has chosen for us. Here you can choose what type of drum you want. So you can click and hear the drums. Woo. In the rest, we're gonna stay with the 808 classic drum machine. I'm gonna stay with that. Now here, when I click the pattern playing, you see it goes through the pattern and it tells me exactly which drums are playing. Now I like this pattern, but I don't like the snare. I want the snares to be claps. So each dot is a button on and off, so I can click off, and instead I can put the clap on. Off, on. Hit again. Yeah, that's nice. Now when I corrected it here, it automatically changed it here. So if I now listen to my track, the clap is there. So any change that you're making here will be automatically appearing here. So now, say I have a situation where I have the verse for 12 bars and then the chorus. So I can move my B part to here and extend, just like we did with the loops, the A part to here. So then I will have A, and then all the way to bar 13, my intro, my verse, and then when it gets to bar 13, yeah, part B, and say after 4 bars I would like to go back to pattern A. I can right click, copy on part A, make sure that my line is on bar 17, right click, paste, and here I've got pattern A, pattern B, pattern A, and so on and so on. I can still do a few things. If, say for example, I listen to it and I think, oh, I like it, but it's a bit slow, I actually want my song to be a bit faster, I can go here to the BPM, which stands for beats per minute, and you can see it's a two-way arrow, so I click and I can drag it down, I can drag it up. No, for some reason it jumped B, so we put B back in place. So the change in tempo will automatically affect all our pattern. Again, we can create another pattern, we can create a third pattern. If we want to have a bridge, for example, we go and we do pattern C, which at the moment is blank, so we can create it ourselves. So let's do like a So I'm happy with that as C, so I click put the line where I want it and I click add C, and there it is. And again I can drag it for as long as I want. So if I zoom out for a minute so we can see the whole song, we've got 12 bars of A, 4 bars of B, 12 bars of A, and whatever it is that I did, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars of C, and so on and so on. So we can create a whole song and program the drums for it. So this is how you use the drum machine on the mix editor in BandLab. And I shall see you in the next video when we will be adding some other instrument to it. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.